guys, welcome back. So today I'm going out the door and I thought I've already shown you my like everyday makeup routine, but I didn't show you the even more condensed version. That one's like 15 minutes long, and this one, I mean, we'll see. I'm not moving that fast today, but it can be like 5 minutes. Don't mind me, I'm a little sick. Don't mind my cat, he's playing with like a tube. He found this tube and it's like his favorite toy, so that's the noises going on. So I don't have any makeup on right now. I luckily got a little tan on my face, which always makes everything better. I've already like prepped my skin with my skincare routine, and right now my three winners, which are even different from the last video because skincare is like never over, you know? You just keep looking for better things. And so this guy, you probably heard about it, or maybe not. This is the new Glossier product. It's the Solution. And dude, the freaking tube. Baby, shush. An AHA, BHA, and PHA like exfoliating acid combo. So it's like a nice little, the solution to your like acne and hyperpigmentation and clogged pores and all these things, because it's like a gentle exfoliator. I've been using it since it came out, so I'm like waiting for at least for like a full month before I make a whole video about it, you know. But so far I really like it, and my skin has stayed really clear, which I'm not sure if that's because of this or because of the UFO oil, which I've been using for a month, and I am like beyond obsessed with it. Beyond. This guy, like, so worth the money, I swear to God. So worth the money. So worth the money. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should if you haven't already, then you know that I like post about this stuff all the time. And this cream, it's the Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. It's like really helped me in the winter. I got recommended, a bunch of people recommended it to me on Insta, and so I tried it, and it's like that's, you see that glow that I have like right now? That's from this. It's really nice. So yeah, that's what I'm working with for base. Man, I was doing so good. I didn't get sick when everyone else got sick. Now here I am. I'm sick. Okay, so first off, Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. That's what I start with. And this is actually a little too light for me now since I got back from Guatemala, but that's okay. My face never used to be able to like actually get tan. I think probably because I would wear some sort of makeup, and it took me like all these years to just be okay with wearing absolutely no makeup and only sunscreen on my face. So yeah, that's definitely why. Now I'm so oily. I love it. So I just use this, and then I get out the Glossier concealer wherever I need a little extra coverage, because skin tint doesn't give you any coverage. This is like my routine when I'm like late to class, or like just don't feel like getting up and doing anything, which is a lot of days. This is what I do, and it's really fast. Next, this blush, Glossier Cloud Paint in Beam, which I use every day. Oh my god. Like I have a feather like tickling my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then next, Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is just the sample, like I said in my last makeup video, but I'm gonna buy the big one once I run out of this one. Which, I mean, this looks like there's actually a lot in it, which is really nice, so thanks Sephora. Yep. Boy brow in blonde. Oh shit, this is clear. Hold on. There we go. Boy brow in blonde. What is this guy? Oh, cute. What? Got the boy brow. Now we do the wouter. This is pretty much all Glossier, and that has nothing to do with me being a rep. Like, these products are literally made for when you want to go fast and just slap stuff on your face and look like you're more awake. That's like literally the motto of Glossier. So that's why. This is just like a $2 e.l.f. brush that I got. So it's like really nice under your eyes. And then this is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks. Just put that there. And I'm kind of convinced that all of these type of highlighters, even the Glossier one, makes my like pores congested where I put it on, because I get like little bumps over here. But I mean, they go away really fast, so it's okay. Doesn't really, not a big problem. And then if I have any lipstick around, I'll just throw that on. This is some random Milani one from the drugstore. 26 Nude. There you go. I can't imagine that was more than 5 minutes if I like wasn't talking and everything. Jesus. Very fast, very easy. You look like you're awake, you look like you're glowy, and then you're ready to go out the door. Which is, yeah. I feel like I have things I should tell you, but I don't know what I should. Oh, it was my birthday. What, how many days ago? 8 days ago? No, what the fuck, I can't count. 5 days ago, it was my birthday, so that was fun. Now I'm another year older. I got this cute little, this thing on my birthday. My boyfriend Sage won't usually drive me to TJ Maxx because I just buy a bunch of stuff for our apartment that we don't need. I do it a lot. So he normally won't drive me. Like if I go by myself, you know, that's one thing, but he won't normally drive me out of the way to go there. But on my birthday, I was like, please, please, please. So he took me to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and I got that and a bunch of other stuff. So that was like the best part of my birthday. No, just kidding, but it was a good part. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I want to like talk to you guys all the time. Okay, thanks for watching this fun, fast little video. Hope you guys have a great week and a great day, and I hope you're not sick. You don't get sick, and if you're going back to school, I hope you have a great start to school, because Lord knows we all need a little encouragement for school, or at least I do. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This nose highlight is very